Now, some people say it's just too hard to cut narrow pieces accurately with a track saw, but it's not. So you just use the rip gauge to set the rip stops to whatever dimension you like. In this case, it's a random thing between 9 and 10 millimeters. Do the same thing for the other rip stop here. Pull the sheet against the rip stops. Just make sure we're nice and firm up against each one, ready to go. If the ripstop flag is in the way of your saw, just slip it down. It still touches the material, and your saw goes right past. All right, let's check it. Nine, 6, 965, other end, 966. The numbers don't lie. It's easy.